If you love cheese and bread but hate complicated recipes, then Brazilian cheese bread is your new best friend. Today, we're whipping up some delicious Pao de Queijo, also known as Brazilian cheese bread. You'll need just a few simple ingredients: tapioca flour, milk, oil, eggs, and of course cheese. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a saucepan, combine a cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, and a pinch of salt. Heat until it starts to boil. Next, pour this hot mixture over 2 cups of tapioca flour. Stir until it's smooth. Let it cool a bit before adding 2 beaten eggs and a cup of grated cheese. Mix well until you get a sticky dough. Now scoop the dough into small balls and place them on a baking sheet. Pop them in the oven for 15-20 minutes until golden and puffy. And there you have it. Fresh, cheesy, and oh so delicious Brazilian cheese bread. Perfect for snacking or sharing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.